Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you want to experience Brawl Stars with unlimited gems, coins, and every single brawler unlocked? Null's Brawl offers exactly that, providing a private server experience separate from the official game. It is a fantastic way to explore strategies and enjoy custom content without worrying about resource limitations. This guide will walk you through accessing Null's Brawl on your iOS device in 2025. Get ready for an entirely new way to play your favorite game. Before diving into the download process, let's ensure your iOS device is ready. First, make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to a relatively recent iOS version for the best compatibility. You will also need to free up at least 1 GB of storage space to accommodate the Null's Brawl application and its data. Finally, use a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection to prevent any interruptions during the download, ensuring a smooth and quick installation experience. The next critical step is finding the correct download source for Null's Brawl on iOS. Always begin your search using a reputable search engine, looking specifically for Null's Brawl iOS official download. It is vital to prioritize links that direct you to the official Null's Brawl website or well-known, trusted community forums. Avoid third-party app stores or suspicious websites, as they often host outdated versions or even malware. Downloading from unofficial sources could compromise your device's security. Once you have located the official IPA file, download it directly onto your iOS device. After the download is complete, you will likely need to perform a quick security step to allow the installation. Go to your device's settings, then navigate to General, and finally select VPN and Device Management. Here, locate the newly installed Enterprise App Developer profile and tap Trust. This action allows your iOS device to run the unofficial application securely. Congratulations, you are now ready to dive into the world of Null's Brawl. Simply tap the new Null's Brawl icon on your iOS device's home screen to launch the game. You will immediately have access to all brawlers, every skin, and unlimited resources, ready for endless fun. Remember to check the Null's Brawl official website or community forums regularly for announcements about updates or new features to enhance your experience even further. Enjoy your unlimited Brawl Stars adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.